Hello, I'm Cecil Christenberry. Welcome to the Old Time Minute. I want to talk to you today about fungal problems in your yard. You may see little brown patches or large brown spots in your yard, which indicates that you may have one of the many different types of fungal problems that we have in any type of grass. Doesn't matter, St. Augustine, centipede, whatever. Always remember that it is much easier to prevent a fungus than it is to cure a fungus. But Fertilome F-stop, which is a systemic granule, will actually do both. Don't be tempted to put fertilizer, particularly nitrogen fertilizer, in your grass if you see those brown spots, because the fungal spore will feed on the nitrogen and your problem will get much worse within a day or two. So prevent and cure your fungal problems with F-stop from Fertilome. I'm Cecil Christenberry, and we appreciate you tuning in to the Old Time Minute. Be sure to like and subscribe.